welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I just moved to Pittsburgh from Nashville, where I had been living for the past 7 months. And before that, I lived in Portland, Oregon for 5 years. But I'm actually originally from Eastern Washington. So we moved to Pittsburgh because I did like Nashville, but we both kind of agreed that we would like a city like Pittsburgh a little bit more. It's actually closer to a lot more cities, especially like East Coast cities like New York and Boston and places like that. And it's a pretty affordable city to live in. My dog is running around in the hallway right now, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. But anyway, I'll talk more about that probably in a different video. But in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a tour of my new Pittsburgh Loft. It's just like an empty apartment tour. And once it's fully decorated, I will do a decorated apartment tour. So there's kind of a crazy story that goes along with this apartment. I'll be sharing that in another story time video. This one's definitely a doozy, guys. You're gonna want to watch this one. But we basically had to move into this apartment after having a different apartment fall through, and then before that we had been trying to buy a home in Pittsburgh and that fell through. So it's been a total disaster. But we found this apartment last minute and actually moved in the next day. It's a renovated loft, so it has like all new finishes. I love the lighter wood floors and like the marble counters in the kitchen. The bathroom is super cute too. However, when we moved in on a Saturday, there was no power and no water over the weekend, which was a little crazy because we had to move up 3 flights of stairs to move all of our stuff into the apartment. So we were like exhausted and so sweaty afterwards, but couldn't take a shower. And then it wasn't until today, which is now Friday, so almost a week later, that we finally got power and finally got internet. And I think we didn't have water for like the first 2.5 days either. So it's been a little crazy, needless to say, but I'm very excited for all of that to be over now and to start fully decorating this apartment. So that being said, definitely stay tuned for that story time video soon, but let's go ahead and get into the apartment tour. Okay guys, so I just saw the apartment for the first time. I am going to give you guys a quick tour. Starting off from the entry, you head into the living room. Nice big living room here. And this cool area that I think I might make like my office. Be kind of cute to have like a little peacock chair or like some plants there or something like that. And then there's a closet here. I don't think any of the doors were changed out, so they're probably original doors, but all of the base molding and the flooring was redone, which is super nice. We've got another big closet over here for storage. Got another wall over here. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to lay out all of my furniture. Probably just gonna have to play around with things and see what works the best. Then going this way off the entry, straight ahead is the bedroom. So pretty good sized bedroom here. Got the same flooring throughout, which is nice. There's a mirror here that's broken that's going to get replaced, and then blinds are going to be put in as well. Got the bedroom closet there. They didn't have time to clean because I wanted to move in early, so I'm gonna have to do some cleaning on my own. And then here's the bathroom. Really pretty marble tile floors, subway tile in the shower, nice tub. And then we've got a new vanity, new mirror. I was kind of hoping that they weren't going to put a mirror in. They didn't have one when I originally saw the photos, so I kind of wanted to get my own like big mirror to go here, so I might ask them if I can switch that out. Toilet, and then there's a little closet door here to store like toilet paper, towels, things like that. And then we've also got this little nook here. These shelves kind of need to be repainted, but I don't mind doing some of that stuff on my own. And then we've got the kitchen, which has some gray tile in it. Can't tell if that's a faux tile plank or if that's real tile, but it's like a concrete look. They put the fridge over here in this corner, which I didn't know what they were doing. Originally, there were no appliances in, so I just kind of assumed that the fridge was gonna be placed over here where the range is. So I might see if there's any way that we could potentially move that, because I really wanted to use this corner to put like a dining table or something like that. So we'll see about that. And then here is the kitchen, all new cabinets. Love the white cabinets with the marble look countertops. Nice big size kitchen. And then walking back this way is the hallway back to the entry and the living room. I love these floors. Pretty sure that these are natural wood. Gotta sweep everything. I don't think there's a stain on them, which could potentially be a problem, because when there's no stain on the hardwood, that means that it can absorb things really quickly, like if something were to spill, like right there. So I might see if we can put some kind of a finish on there, but overall, I'm super happy with the new apartment. Our apartment's actually on the 3rd floor. So we have these really cool features in the ceiling from like the peaks on the roof of the house. So we're on like the 3rd floor of a house that was converted into an apartment. So that kind of makes for like a cool feature, I think. Feels kind of like a loft. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm actually going to be posting another video, which is footage of all the other apartments that we looked at before deciding on this one. So stay tuned for that video. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.